Okay. Oh, sorry. So, yeah, I need to turn on the light here. Is that better? It is, but you can't. Hold on, let me fix this. Okay. Now, I'm sorry that you can see the rest of my eyes. We'll back that. Okay. So, I have a little slime storage. Let me just get this down. This is not a part of it right here. This is actually acrylic drawers for makeup. But I actually decided to use it for my slime because I make a lot and I really needed something to store all my stuff in. So in the top, I don't use that for slime, except I if like I have a container like this thing. This is melting borax, still in the process of melting. So I have a cleanup slime. I do have other slimes. I have a lot of slimes, but those ones are the ones that are in like my room, and they're on a shelf actually, and they're in a big box. So this is my cleanup slime. Like if I have beads for making slime, I'll use this, or just extra things, I'll just use that to pick it all up. But it's super wet, so we're not gonna mess with that no more. Okay, so this is what it looks like. In the bottom, I did take out the very bottom drawer, and it just sits up there. It just holds like random things. So these two drawers are small. This one's a big one, and then down here is just where I store some things. So in this first drawer right here, in it I just have like some beads. These are just like to color it up. But I just have some sodium borax in a little baggie. It actually came in a slime kit, so it's just sodium tempera borax, and it came with 2 of them. But pretty much one of the fit in one of these things. These are for like, I think I got this at my eye doctor's, and I just grabbed them. So this one's don't have that much left. This one's full. So just keep my borax and then some beads in there. And then it just, actually let's go with that. In this drawer, it just has a slime that is sort of overactivated, and it's just soaking in water. So that's what's in that drawer. So in this big drawer here, I have all my dyes. So like I have some red dye. This is not food coloring. This is dye for like specifically like slime. Not lying. I think I bought it at Target. So I bought a 3-pack. They have multiple decisions, but I decided to go with these just because these are like pretty much main colors, and I could make multiple colors with just these. Like this, 1 drop of this makes a really pretty pink. Like a lot of drops of this, like I don't know. Then 1 drop of this would make like a really pretty purple, and then this, and then the blue would make green, you know, so on and so forth. So these are some nail polishes that aren't like strong scents, and I only use these with slimes that I do put strong like scents in them, but I don't use like scents like perfume stuff like I know some people do. I actually use oils. So these are the ones I have. I have 3 of these pink ones. This one's a little darker. I have 2 red ones, same shade. And then I have a blue one. And then also what is in here. I just have some glitters, like some red glitter, some green glitter, some blue glitter, and then some gold glitter. So, yeah. Oh, and I also have 3 packets of Cinquents to put in slimes. Then in the very bottom, part without a drawer, I keep these 2 glues. These came in a slime kit, and the glue is super hard to come out. So I do have a little bit of glue in this. And then I just have this stick to make slime with. Oh, and this is a foundation that I actually bought for slime. This is a super dark color. See, it's empty, and I bought that for slime. So that's what's in there, and if you were curious, bye.